Can you say potato, Freddie? Freddie? Can you say potato?
Yeah.
Potato, yeah. Hey everybody, today I'm going to open up some of these 5-gallon buckets and see what kind of potatoes we got in them. And I'm going to let the little one help. Oh boy. Good job. I think we're going to have good luck with this bucket. All these potatoes so far are coming off the surface. Not the biggest potatoes, but man, I'm pretty happy with the amount of potatoes I'm getting. And I haven't even got the bucket dumped yet. There's another one. You helping Dad, Freddie? Look for potatoes. You're going to need another shower again. You see any potatoes in there? Just a little potato. There's a good one. Look at that side. Nice. You getting dirty? Yeah, that's a dirty kid right there. Yeah. But he's gonna have to spray you off when we get done doing this. There's another tater. There's another tater. There's a seed potato. Ew. Another little tater. If you see any taters, you let Daddy know. You ready to look for more potatoes? Let's see if we find any potatoes. There's a potato. Yeah. Whoa, be careful. Nice spud. Seed potato. You see any potatoes? Freddie? There's another nice one. Get that seed potato out of here before he grabs it. Yeah. See any more potatoes? Oh, thank you. All right, remember, let's keep the dirt on the tarp. Let's get another bucket. Hey. See any more potatoes? Help Daddy. Look at this one. That's a big potato. You can see another one over here. Another one right here. Gotta make sure we, oh, there's another big one. Look at that big one, Freddie. Can you see potato? Yeah, potato. Good job talking. Oh, there's some more hiding. Oh, big sneeze. Another potato. All right, you're gonna be so dirty. Here's the last bucket. Here's the last bucket. Let's look and see what we got in here. Is there any potatoes? Get the potatoes and put them in a pile. Hey, grab the potato and put it there. All right, grab the other one. Put it in the pile. Oh, don't throw it over there. Put it right here in the pile. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got her now. Yeah. Thank you. You gotta learn how to listen. You can't just wreck the dirt. You gotta help Dad go through it. Look for potatoes. Hey. Oh. Damn potato bugs right there. See any more potatoes? All right, bub. I think we're done. I think we're done. All right, everybody. I'll show you what we ended up with. Not a whole lot. That's what we ended up with. But I only put like 4 seed potatoes in each bucket. So I don't think that's bad. It gave the kid a chance to play in the dirt and get completely filthy. Oh, found another one. And let him burn off some energy so maybe he sleeps good tonight. Thanks for watching, everybody. We still have more potatoes to harvest later that aren't quite ready yet. It's another one. And we'll add those to our total. Thanks for watching, everybody. What is this, Freddie? Freddie. Freddie. Me? Go ahead and weigh the potatoes that me and the boy harvested. 7.5 pounds. Not too bad.